video, we will see the nitration of benzene. So this is our main reaction. This is benzene ring reacting with Kong nitric 5 acid in the presence of sulfuric 6 acid forming nitrobenzene. So the electrophile replaces one of the hydrogen in the benzene ring forming nitrobenzene. The Kong sulfuric 6 acid here is used as a catalyst. It protonates the Kong nitric 5 acid producing the electrophile. So the reaction of benzene with, or the nitration of benzene, happens in 3 stages or 3 steps. So that is the mechanism. So we'll see that mechanism of nitration. So we have got 3 stages. Stage 1. Stage 1, we have got, stage 1 is the generation of the electrophile. Generation of the electrophile, that is nitronium ion. So in this stage, Kong nitric 5 acid react with Kong sulfuric 6 acid, producing the electrophile, that is nitronium ion, bisulfate ion, and water as the side product. So this is now the generation of the electrophile. The Kong nitric 5 acid react with sulfuric 6 acid, producing the electrophile, that is the nitronium ion, and bisulfate ion and water as the byproduct. So that is the first stage. Stage 2 is stage 2. Stage 2 is the attack of the electrophile. Attack of the electrophile. Attack of the electrophile. So here we've got benzene ring. Benzene ring. So this is attached to hydrogen plus nitronium ion. So what happens in this stage is that the benzene ring attacks the nitronium ion. How it's attacked is that the nitronium ion, here we have got positive charged, and here we have got a benzene ring. So we need to generate a negative charge with the benzene ring. So for that to happen, the pi electron will move. The pi electron will move and attaches to the carbon ring. So if the pi electron moves, here we will have positive charge, and here we will have negative charge. So what happens is that the negative charge, in other words, the proton will accept the negative charge, and this forms nitronium ion. So that forms like that. So here we have got pi electron, and here, since the pi electron has moved, so in this place we will not show the pi electron. In other words, or here we'll show the positive charge, and here we will show the nitronium, that is NO2, and then we will show the hydrogen that moved from here, the pi bond. So this is now the rhenium ion. So, and this is the stage 2, that is the attack of the electrophile. The benzene ring attacks the nitronium ion, forming a rhenium ion. So stage 3, the last stage is stage 3. Stage 3 is restoration of aromaticity. So here we have got a rhenium ion. So we take that rhenium ion, and we do there. So here we have got positive, and here we have got hydrogen. So what happens is that in this stage, here we have got positive charge, and here we have got hydrogen atom. So the hydrogen atom will move from the carbon atom and attaches here. So this will now form a pi electron, and the proton now is accepted by the bisulfate ion. So the proton is accepted by the bisulfate ion. When the hydrogen moved from the carbon atom and forms a pi electron there, the positive charge, that is the proton, is removed from the rhenium ion, and it's accepted by the base, that is the bisulfate ion. So this now forms so here we'll have now NO2, and since the hydrogen is moved from the carbon atom and forms a pi electron, so here we will have the pi bond there, and here we'll have the other two pi bond, and then plus the sulfuric 6 acid formed. Sulfuric 6 acid. The sulfuric 6 acid is formed by when the proton is accepted by the bisulfate ion. So the proton just means a H plus, that is hydrogen ion. So the hydrogen ion is accepted by the bisulfate ion and forming the Kong sulfuric 6 acid, that is the sulfuric 6 acid. And this is now the nitrobenzene, and the aromaticity is restored in this stage. Nitrobenzene